Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the Sea Ray blue hull sides with the red gel stripe. We've outfitted the boat with the 300 horsepower Mercury, and that's done in white. Nice big sun pad across the transom. This does lift up to give you really nice storage, and that runs that full port side length. Great storage compartment there. You do have a freshwater sprayer here at the transom. You have sea deck matting across the swim platform, the walk-through, and all the way up to the bow of the boat. So as we step on board, you have a nice, easy transom walk-through here. L-shaped seating on the port side, dual bucket seats, one on the companion side, one at the helm. This is the continuation of that storage that I showed you up underneath the sun pad. It runs all the way up to here. The boat is outfitted with the power tower, so this will electrically raise and lower if you needed some height restrictions. Up above, you do have the manual extended sunshade overhead. Flip-up bolsters on both the helm seat and companion seat. Boat's equipped with dual Simrad screens. Right now I've got this set up with the chart plotter, one with the Mercury engine functions. You have your Fusion stereo system, nice stainless steel windshield cap that wraps all the way around. The Mercury 300 is digital throttle and shift. On the port side, in front of the companion seat, you have a vacuum flush head and a freshwater sink in there as well. A lot of storage in this boat. You have a ski locker in the floor and really nice storage underneath this aft bench seat. This tray is removable and allows access to your batteries and different switches in there. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, you have designated trash can storage here under the console. A bow block-off door, and the windshield will flip over to give you a little bit of wind protection there. Two full-length loungers in the bow with flip-down armrests. This boat is equipped with the windlass anchor, and you do have a freshwater sprayer here in the bow as well. That's a real quick look at our 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. If you'd like some more information about this boat, give us a call at 910-256-8100.